There are many products available to choose saucepans, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best saucepans from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. All-Clad D 5-quart stainless steel saucepan. This sturdy saucepan is a workhorse in the kitchen, featuring a 5-ply bonded construction with alternating layers of stainless steel and aluminum to provide a warp-free surface with even heating. It makes cooking a pleasure. The 3-quart pot's tall sides are conducive to sauce making, curry stirring, and cooking grains. Plus, its lid that fits well ensures that liquids don't evaporate rapidly. We've tested the full All-Clad D5 cookware set multiple times, and always remark on the ergonomic heat-resistant stainless steel handles. This size also has an additional helper handle for increased balance and safety, and it can work on all cooking surfaces and is oven-safe up to 600 degrees Fahrenheit. Number 2. Caraway 3-quart saucepan. Caraway's stylish saucepan is constructed with a mineral-based ceramic interior coating around an aluminum core. The non-stick surface makes cooking in this easier, and without any concerns of food sticking to the pan. We've used Caraway in both our lab and home kitchens, and not only does nothing stick, the coating is also incredibly durable. A stainless steel base means this is designed to work on any cooking surface, and it's oven-safe up to 550 degrees Fahrenheit. The handles are well-positioned and comfortable to hold, however they get hot after some time on the stove. Caraway cookware is not dishwasher safe, but they are easy to wash. Number 3. Scanpan Pro IQ 3-quart saucepan. We all need that one reliable nonstick pan that will save us from stuck-on food and messy cleanups, and if that pan promises to be metal utensil safe, we are all ears. The Scanpan Pro IQ saucepan is just that. Made from recycled aluminum, it features the Stratanium coating, where 5 layers of specific hard materials are thermally bonded to give the cookware its non-stick surface, and it is also a non-stick surface on which you can sear. The cast aluminum base evenly distributes temperature for a hot spot-free cooking, and the sleek-looking pot also features ergonomic handles. Number 4. Made in 4-quart stainless-clad saucepan. Like all made-in cookware, this 4-quart saucepan is built for serious cooking with its heavy base and quality materials. In testing, it performed well with vegetables, soup, rice, and pasta, and it cleaned up easily after cooking. While it's not a usual use for a saucepan, it's good to know that this one is oven-safe to 500 degrees. One of its best attributes is that this is a 4-quart pan, significantly larger than the 2- or 3-quart pans that are more commonly sold. While its diameter is similar to those smaller pots, this one is taller, so there's less spatter when sautéing foods before adding other ingredients. It also leaves more space to thwart boilovers. And of course, you can cook more food in it. While the instructions say it should be hand-washed to preserve the finish, we tossed it in the dishwasher once with no visible damage. It's also easy to clean by hand. Number 5. Calphalon Classic Stainless Steel Saucepan. The Calphalon small saucepan has a long ergonomic handle that is not only easy to grip, but also stays cool. The base is bonded aluminum that heated quickly and evenly in our tests, ensuring consistent results. And the tall sides help minimize evaporation, so your pasta sauce won't look like a tomato jam in a matter of minutes. We also like the lid's built-in strainer, so you don't need to fumble around looking for a strainer to drain out the vegetables. The rounded corners are desirable, especially when making flour-based sauces, as it makes it easy to stir without missing ingredients. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information, or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make you life much more easier.